What are CRUD operations?
The product stands for create, read, update, and delete. These are the 4 basic functions you can perform on data in most databases. CRUD operations allow you to add new data, view existing data, make changes, or remove information as needed. Understanding CRUD is essential for anyone learning database management or building software that uses data.
Create, adding new data.
The create operation lets you add new records to a database. For example, when you sign up for a website, your information is added to the user database. In SQL, this is typically done with the insert statement. Creating data is the starting point for storing information you want to manage and retrieve later.
Read, viewing stored information.
The previous user allows you to access and view data stored in a database. This is done using commands like select in SQL. Reading data doesn't change anything. It just retrieves information so you can see or use it, such as listing your contacts or viewing a user profile.
Update, modifying existing data.
Update operations are used to change information in your database. For example, if you edit your email address on a website, an update command changes your stored information. This function helps you keep data current and accurate as your needs change.
Delete, removing unwanted data.
The delete operation removes records from a database permanently. This might happen when you close an account or delete a file. In SQL, this uses the delete statement. Deleting data helps you manage space, maintain privacy, and keep your database organized.
Why CRUD matters in software development.
CRUD operations are the foundation of most applications that use databases, from social media platforms to banking systems. Learning how to use create, read, update, and delete gives you the tools to manage data effectively, ensuring your software remains reliable and responsive to users' needs.